Which of the following words cannot be formed using the letters of the given word concentrate? Which of these cannot be formed? See here. Very simple. You have to see one by one. What all words alphabets are here in this and in this. You will see that train is such a word which cannot be formed. Why? Because there is no I in concentrate. So that is the answer. If lead is called stick, stick is called nib, nib is called needle, needle is called rope, and rope is called thread, then what will be fitted in a pen to write with it? So what is to be written? In a pen, what is fitted? Nib, but nib is called as what? Needle. So needle is the answer. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction is he with reference to his starting point? See, first 10 north, then 6 back. Then from here he walks 3 kilometers towards east. Now we want the direction. So 10 minus 6, right? So this is 4 and this is 3. So using Pythagoras theorem, he is 5 kilometers away, right, from the starting point. And in which direction? So northeast direction he is from the starting point. In the given Venn diagram, find the region representing persons who are educated and employed but not confirmed in the job. See, this is educated, this is employed, this triangle is confirmed job. Okay. So educated and employed. So it is basically B, this full B plus D it's actually. But D is what? Educated, employed. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.